guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, a channel where I talk about career in tech and productivity. So in this video, we'll be talking about how to develop an attractive personality. We often feel that personality comes from our nurture or something which is very natural to us. But this is not the truth. We can always develop a personality which attracts others by considering few points in our mind. So in this video, we'll be discussing some of the different ways or tips in which you can build an attractive personality. So before we start, if you like my videos, hit the like button to mention all your queries and comments in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of my latest videos. So let's get started. So now let's understand what exactly is personality and what is its importance. A personality is a combination of thinking, feeling and behavior which makes a person unique. So when we say that this person has got a good personality, it means that this person's personality is attractive, likable and desirable to be with. So everybody wants to have a good personality, a personality which attracts others, the personality where others wants to come and talk to you. So it becomes very much important to have a good and pleasing personality. Personality enhancement doesn't mean that you need to enhance your looks. Looks can be enhanced to a certain level, but personality has got no limits. You can always develop a good personality with some good practices and tips which I am going to tell you. So now let's discuss some of the important tips in order to keep in mind while interacting with others. So number one on my list is developing your own style. Yes, it is very important while you are interacting with someone to be yourself. Do not try to replicate someone or copy someone in order to impress the person on the other side. This does not create a good impression. In order to understand and develop your own style, you need to experiment with new things, new styles, the way you present yourself in front of others, and then come up to the things which makes you comfortable and likable in front of others. So the important point here is form a style or develop a style which makes you comfortable. Because once you are comfortable, then only you will be able to be comfortable in front of others as well. So do not try to replicate anyone, build your own style. So number two on my list is know your positives and negatives. So it is you who knows everything about yourself. So it is very important to accept your positives and negatives, and even if you have negatives, try improving that. Even if you have some unattractive qualities which you know, then try improving it. Maybe you do not know to speak confidently in front of others, you hesitate, you stammer. Then try working on it, practice in front of mirrors, try experimenting these things with your friends and make yourself comfortable with your unattractive qualities and eventually you'll improve. So acceptance is the key for the success. You need to accept yourself with all the flaws and the good things you have. Even if you have the flaws, then try improving it with the strategies, learning new other things in order to get rid of those negative qualities. When you start accepting yourself with the positives and negatives, then you can confront anyone and everyone with the confidence because you know what you are. So write down your positives and negatives and try working on your negatives. Number three on my list is explore and meet new people. When you explore new places, new things, new people, try interacting with them as well. When you visit a new place, you meet n number of people who do not know you. Try interacting with them even if you are not good with that. They won't judge you because they don't know much about you. When you explore new places, new things, it builds a knowledge. Every experience, you gain knowledge about it. So why you hesitate to speak in front of others? Why you cannot have a good communication with others? The reason is you do not have content to speak about. You do not have points to put forward, and that's why you keep quiet and rather you do not participate in that conversation. So when you explore, you gain knowledge, you have points to talk about, explain about, and which makes a conversation very interesting. So it is very important to learn new things, explore new things in order to have a good healthy conversation, because some things it might be possible that when you are sitting with someone, that person does not know about that. there comes you. You can just go and tell a lot things about that particular place because you have visited that, you have explored that, you have read about that. So when these kind of things happen, this gives a moral boost to your confidence. And always occupying yourself with knowledge will always help you to have a healthy conversation, and which will always make you different from others. So number 4th on my list is develop a good dressing sense. We all have heard a famous quote, the first impression is the last impression. Yes, even if you did not interact in a conversation or did not speak a single word, the people will judge you with the dressing sense. It is the first thing which people see you and get to know about your personality. So it is very important to understand your body type, the things or clothes which suits your body, and the event for which you are going to get dressed up. Don't get overdressed, don't get underdressed, be properly dressed. So it is very important to have a good dressing sense as well. Do not hesitate to invest in your dressing sense, rather be simple and authentic in the way you want to be. First, be comfortable with the things which you can carry, then only you will be always able to make other people comfortable around you. So build a good dressing sense. So number 5th on my list is be humble and respectful. We often see people doing show off about the skills or the things which they know in front of the other person. Being confident is good, but being overconfident and cocky in front of others creates a bad impression of yours. It does not mean that if you have a knowledge about something, then you have created a great impression on others. No. Try to be humble, polite and respectful in front of others, and try to be down to earth even if you know things more than the other person. This will create a great impression on others, and even if you're not in front of them, then also they will praise you, because these are the qualities which sets you apart from others. Being humble is the new way of having an attractive personality, and this is the simplest thing which you can do. Try to have a good conversation and show the humbleness and respectfulness in front of others by listening to them in a great way, like interacting to them in a great way. Like if they are saying something, then listen to them. Being a good listener is also a great sign of showing humbleness and respect in front of others. So number 6th on my list is stay calm and cool. There might be a situation or difficult times where you need to show you do not have control on yourself. You are angry, you are getting anxiety over the words which people are saying in front of you. But you need to hold yourself, control yourself and stay calm and cool, and try to reply back with the calm and composed words. There might be a situation where people will let you down, pull you down in front of others. So rather reacting in angry with the abusive words or things which will just de-strain your personality is not a good approach. In public, try to stay calm. People will take or do things with me in order to break you, in order to let you down. So it is very important to have a self-control in yourself on where to react and what react with your words. So number 7th on my list is show your optimistic side. We all have got some negatives and positives. Many people will focus on your negatives, many will focus on positives. So it's you need to embrace your positivity. You need to be grateful for the things which you have, rather being sad and unreal about the things which you do not have. Start being grateful for the things which you have. When you start loving yourself, when you start showing your optimistic side, people will start loving you. People will get attracted towards you, because negativity attracts negativity, positivity attracts positivity. So try to be a source of positivity, spread positivity wherever you are. Do things which you are good with and be grateful for that. Because if you won't do it, nobody else will do it for you. So in this video, I have discussed about some of the amazing tips to develop an attractive personality. keep a note of all the points which I have discussed and see what are your positives and what are your negatives in which you need to work on, and start working on it to have a good healthy conversation. This will help you in multiple ways. This will help you to crack good interviews. This will help you to have a healthy conversation with your friends, colleagues, and you will be very happy, and this will always boost your confidence. When people will start loving you, then you will be very confident, and when you are confident, then you can do anything. So I hope this video helps. So if you like my videos, hit the like button. Do mention all your queries, comments in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of my latest videos. Bye bye. See you in my next video.